It was a cold afternoon in November, and the rain had been falling since early morning. The streets were almost empty, and most people preferred to stay inside their warm homes. Emily, however, had no choice. She had to walk to the pharmacy to pick up medicine for her mother. As she hurried down the wet sidewalk, holding her jacket tightly around her, she noticed a man sitting on the ground near the entrance of a closed shop. His clothes were soaked, and he looked exhausted. Emily slowed her steps, unsure if she should stop or continue walking. The man lifted his head slightly and gave her a weak smile. That small gesture made her stop. "Are you all right?" she asked gently.
The man nodded, but it was clear he wasn't fine. Emily hesitated for a moment before reaching into her small bag. She only had enough money for the medicine, but she also had a sandwich she packed earlier for lunch. She handed it to him. "Here, please eat," she said. The man looked at the sandwich, then at her. His eyes filled with gratitude. "Thank you," he whispered. Emily smiled softly and continued walking. She didn't think much about it. For her, it was a simple act. The next morning, the rain had stopped, and Emily walked the same street again. When she reached the shop where she had seen the man, he was no longer there. Instead, she found a small folded piece of paper on the bench. She picked it up out of curiosity. Inside, there was a short message written in shaky handwriting. "I had nothing yesterday, not even hope. Your kindness reminded me that the world still has good people. Thank you for saving me, even if you didn't realize it." Emily stood silently, holding the note in her hands. She didn't know the man's name or where he went, but she felt something warm inside her chest. She put the note carefully into her bag and continued walking, knowing that a small act of kindness had changed someone's life, if only for a day.